Here we are at belief 17. By now you probably are very aware of changes in your life, but the basic problem, lack of self-confidence and the need to be accepted by others, probably may not yet be totally gone. You may or may not have the last 3 beliefs on this program, although you almost certainly have some of the conditionings that will follow. To make sure you eliminate all the beliefs you actually do have, please check the first few minutes of this and the next 2 beliefs. If you have the beliefs, use the program to eliminate them. If you don't have any of them, just skip to the next belief. In any case, I promise you that your lack of self-confidence and your concern with the opinion of others will be totally gone by the time you're done with this program. Please continue to answer each question out loud to make sure the belief is eliminated. This next belief, people aren't interested in what I have to say, isn't as common as many of the ones you've eliminated so far. But it is one that a large number of people hold. And it's one of the beliefs that generally underlies the fear of speaking up for oneself and asking for what one wants. Here are a few ways to know if you have this belief. Do you get anxious when you talk to people about things that are important to you? Do you get anxious speaking in front of groups? Do you frequently refrain from saying what's on your mind with the thought, people just aren't interested in what I have to say? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you probably have this belief. Remember, you can hold a belief that intellectually you don't think is true about you. Today, as an adult, you might know that people are interested in what you have to say. But just knowing that isn't enough to eliminate the belief. Moreover, it may even be true that some people really aren't interested in what you have to say. Not everyone's interested in what I have to say all the time either. But that is very different than believing that people aren't interested in what I have to say. Ultimately, the way to know if you have this belief is the same way to know if you have any belief. Say the words out loud and pause for a moment. If the words feel true or produce a negative feeling, even a small one, you have the belief. Try it right now. Please say out loud, people aren't interested in what I have to say, and then be still for a moment. Does it feel true or negative at all? If it does, you have the belief. You now know what it feels like to say these words when you have the belief. You'll say the same words out loud at the end of the process and will experience what the same words feel like when you no longer believe the statement. Okay then, let's get rid of people aren't interested in what I have to say. If you're absolutely certain that you don't have this belief, please click Next Belief and proceed to the next belief. If you have the belief, just let the program continue to play. My voice will now stop, so you can write down this belief in the text box on your computer monitor. Click Continue when you're ready to continue with the process to eliminate the belief, people aren't interested in what I have to say.